Welcome to Gun Talk. My name is Dave. In this video, we'll be installing a trigger guard onto an AR15 lower receiver. Before beginning any kind of work on your firearm, please ensure the gun is unloaded and in safe condition. Please follow all safety protocols when working on your firearm. To install our trigger guard, obviously we need a trigger guard, 1/8 inch by 5/8 inch roll pin, a set screw, some blue Loctite, some gun oil, some needle nose pliers, a starter roll pin punch, a 1/8 inch or number 4 roll pin punch, an Allen wrench, and a brass hammer. If you look at our trigger guard, you can see on the left hand side we have a bigger hole and it's smooth. That's where we're going to punch the roll pin punch into. On the right hand side it's a smaller hole and it's threaded. That's where we will insert the set screw and tighten it down with the blue Loctite. So what I'm going to do with these pliers, so these dog ears on our lower receiver, this aluminum's pretty thin and we don't want to bend it. So we're going to use these pliers to kind of stabilize those ears while we install the roll pin, primarily the roll pin. Alright, so to start, I'm going to put our set screw in and tighten that down. I'm just going to use a little smidge of Loctite, just a little drop. And getting it to come out. Whoops, I got a lot on there. Alright. And when I dropped it. Alright, now we will put our punch in. So I'm going to put a little gun oil on our roll pin just to help it go down a little smoother. And I'm going to use a roll pin starter punch. So now that the starter roll pin punch is bottomed out, we'll complete the job with a regular roll pin punch. See how that looks. Looks like we're pretty well centered in the middle. Alright, and that's all it takes to install our trigger guard. Thanks everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave your comments below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again.